Ever wondered how professional housekeepers achieve pristine cleanliness effortlessly? Well, today, we're delving into their world as we explore 15 mind-blowing cleaning tips straight from the experts themselves. So, are you ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine? Subscribe now and catch the entire video for a full understanding. 1. Embrace the chaos. Professional cleaners are masters at navigating chaos, adeptly prioritizing tasks to maximize efficiency. Instead of getting bogged down by clutter, swiftly gather items into designated piles, neatly stow away shoes, and corral loose objects into baskets. By streamlining the tidying process, you free up more time to focus on thorough cleaning, ensuring your surfaces and floors sparkle with pristine cleanliness. 2. Start high, go low. Starting your cleaning journey from the highest points of the room and gradually working your way downward is not just a strategy, it's a mantra for professional cleaners. By commencing with tasks like dusting ceiling fans and high shelves before descending to lower surfaces, you create a methodical approach that eliminates guesswork and maximizes effectiveness. 3. Speed is key. Professional cleaners are renowned for their lightning-fast cleaning prowess, effortlessly zipping through tasks with precision and speed. With dedication and focus, you too can harness the power of efficiency, transforming your cleaning routine into a well-oiled machine. 4. Simplify your products. In the world of professional cleaning, simplicity reigns supreme. Instead of cluttering your cleaning cabinet with a myriad of products, opt for a select few that offer versatility and effectiveness. Vinegar, hailed as a miracle cleaner, serves as a shining example of this minimalist approach, effortlessly tackling a multitude of cleaning tasks with ease. 5. Harness the power of vinegar and baking soda. In the realm of natural cleaning solutions, few combinations rival the power of vinegar and baking soda. When combined, these household staples create a potent cleaning solution that can tackle even the toughest stains and grime with ease. From scrubbing away soap scum in the bathroom to banishing stubborn grease in the kitchen, this dynamic duo is a force to be reckoned with. 6. Invest in proper dusting tools. Dusting may seem like a simple task, but in the hands of a professional, it becomes an art form. By investing in high-quality dusting tools such as long-handled dusters and soft-bristled paintbrushes, you can elevate your cleaning game to new heights. These specialized tools are designed to efficiently remove dust and debris from even the most hard-to-reach surfaces, ensuring a thorough and effective cleaning every time. 7. Tackle window and shower tracks. Window and shower tracks are notorious breeding grounds for dust and grime. But with the right approach, cleaning them can be a breeze. By creating a simple solution of baking soda and vinegar, you can effectively tackle even the toughest buildup with ease. Simply apply the solution to the affected areas, allowing it to penetrate and loosen the dirt and grime. 8. Steam clean. Your microwave. Microwaves are notorious for harboring stubborn food stains and odors, but with a little ingenuity, cleaning them can be a breeze. By creating a simple steaming solution using water, vinegar, and citrus fruit, you can effortlessly loosen and remove even the toughest buildup with ease. Simply place the solution in a microwave-safe bowl and heat until it begins to steam. Allow the steam to penetrate the interior of the microwave, softening the residue and making it easier to wipe away. 9. Utilize your dishwasher. The dishwasher is a versatile tool that can be used for more than just cleaning dishes. By utilizing its cleaning power for small household items like soap dishes and sink drains, you can save time and effort on your cleaning routine. Simply place these items on the top shelf of the dishwasher and let the machine do the work for you. The hot water and detergent will effectively remove dirt and grime, leaving your items clean and sanitized with minimal effort on your part. 10. Clean bathtubs. Smartly, bathtubs are often one of the most challenging areas to clean in the bathroom. But with the right approach, you can achieve sparkling results with minimal effort. Start by applying your favorite cleaning product to the surface of the bathtub, ensuring an even coverage. Allow the product to soak for a few minutes, allowing it to penetrate and loosen dirt and grime. 11. Banish toilet stains. Toilet stains are a common problem in many households, but with the right approach, you can banish them for good. Start by soaking several paper towels in vinegar, ensuring they are saturated. Then, place the vinegar-soaked paper towels around the rim of the toilet bowl, ensuring they come into contact with the stains. Allow the paper towels to sit for several hours or overnight, allowing the vinegar to penetrate and dissolve the stains. 12. Vacuum. Every surface, vacuuming is a key step in any cleaning routine, but to achieve truly sparkling results, it's important to vacuum every surface in your home. This includes not only carpets and rugs, but also hard floor surfaces, such as tile, hardwood, and laminate. 13. Embrace microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths are a cleaning essential that every homeowner should have in their arsenal. These versatile cloths are perfect for cleaning a wide range of surfaces, from countertops and appliances to windows and mirrors. 14. Finish with a gleam. After you've completed your cleaning routine, it's important to finish with a gleam by wiping down surfaces with vinegar-soaked microfiber cloths. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes dirt, grime, and residue from surfaces, leaving them sparkling clean and streak-free. 15. Clean regularly. Maintaining a clean and organized home requires consistency and dedication, which is why it's important to establish a regular cleaning schedule. By setting aside dedicated time each week to tackle cleaning tasks, you can stay on top of dirt, dust, and clutter, preventing them from building up and becoming overwhelming. Drop a comment below to share which cleaning tip you're excited to try first. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch more valuable insights on maintaining a pristine home environment.